had to, yeah, I had to. And these fine girls try to slide through. Dropped out when I came up, like, sorry mama, got bad news. Forget that 9 to 5, plan A till I die. There is beauty in the struggle, so I took a shot online. Packed that venue, nothing new. Ohio to the Bay, California women always saying come back to LA. That gorgeous model says she's gonna fly me to her state. Such a baddie with that body, but so foreign in the face, yeah. My hometown thinks I made it, yeah we did. We just broke the ice this summer, ain't seen nothing from the kid. Wrote a song at night, yeah I work for all this shit. Wrote a song at night, yeah I work for all this shit, yeah. Been a long time coming from the jump, yeah. Been a long time coming from the jump, yeah. Took half my life to flex. Now we got that money, paycheck, I don't gotta stretch, yeah. Took half my life to flex. Now we got the money, paycheck, I don't gotta stretch, yeah. Red eye flight, LAX to Ohio. Dreaming of a tour bus ride with my homies in style. We make that bread, split it up. I'm not wanna roll up blunt, but my fans getting high as heaven, so go live it up. Bullshit I don't mess with, groupie girls I won't text with. If it's late and that mood is right, those groupie girls who I sex with. Buzzing out when you headed that. Burn my balance but I made it back. Got here so hella quick, you'll never blow, bitch take it back. Did this on my own, now they want the blueprint, but I only share with homies, so don't act like we are close. You think you're great, but average at the most. Almost famous, almost there, yeah, soon we got a toast, yeah. Took half my life to flex. Now we got the money, paycheck, I don't gotta stretch, yeah. Took half my life to flex. Now we got the money, paycheck, I don't gotta stretch, yeah. Been a long time coming from the jump, yeah. Been a long time coming from the jump, yeah. Took half my life to flex. Now we got that money, paycheck, I don't gotta stretch, yeah. Took half my life to flex. Now we got the money, paycheck, I don't gotta stretch, yeah.